Hi, everyone, and welcome. We're thrilled to have you join us today. I'm Tom Campbell, and I'm here with my partner, Brent Sommer. We're excited to share more about our newest investment opportunity in Brookings, South Dakota. This is following the incredible success of our last project, District 42, which was fully funded, already paying regular dividends, and operating at an impressive 98% occupancy. To all of our existing investors, thank you for your continued trust and partnership. Your investments have been the driving force behind our success, and we're excited to keep that momentum going as we move into our next opportunities together. New investors, welcome. We're glad you're here and look forward to connecting, sharing a vision, and exploring ways we can partner. A quick legal disclaimer that nothing in this webinar constitutes an offer to sell or a solicitation of any offer to buy any securities. Any such offer will be made only through a PPM and definitive investment documents provided to qualified investors. This presentation is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal, tax, or investment advice. Let's first take a look at the key reasons we're excited about this investment opportunity. We've structured this deal to offer non-recourse financing with no personal guarantees, which is a significant advantage for investors. Plus, we're locking in the anticipated debt for 10 years, providing long-term stability. There's also a compelling year one tax advantage. Investors can expect a bonus depreciation deduction projected between 30 and 60% of their initial investment. Operationally, the property has a strong track record of occupancy and is currently at 98.6 occupied, which speaks to its solid performance and demand. Let me tell you why we're so excited about Brookings, South Dakota. Brookings is a vibrant city with a population of 24,000 and a projected growth rate of 3.5%. Employment here is strong, thanks to more than 1,100 local businesses. The city boasts a low unemployment rate of about 2.8%. Location is key, and Brookings delivers. Major employers like South Dakota State University, a Bison competitor with over 12,000 students, 3M, Larson Manufacturing, and the Brookings Health System anchor the local economy and provide a consistent, reliable renter base. Finally, the housing market here is well balanced. There's a 50-50 split between homeowners and renters, showing a clear, ongoing need for high-quality rental units like the Wilmot Estates. Next, let me walk through the property. Residents enjoy access to 2 fitness centers, a resident lounge, secure key fob entry, community patio outdoor lounges, walking, biking trails nearby, and 24 detached garages. Each unit includes walk-in closets, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, in-unit laundry, and private balcony. I'm going to hand it over to Brent, who will walk you through our financing and investment strategy.
Thanks, Tom. Let's talk about the financing, the structure that we have put together for this, and the return metrics. So we're looking at a $100,000 investment per investor, and we're looking at a 10-year average cash-on-cash return of 8%. The IRR that we're projecting is right around 12.5%. So our financing structure, we're going with agency debt on this deal. We've locked in and secured 5.45% fixed for 10 years. And there is a period of interest only on that financing. The debt, though, as Tom talked about earlier, is non-recourse, which means no limited partners have to sign on personal guarantees. That will strictly be a sponsor's obligation. We are purchasing the property for $9,650,000. And as Tom alluded to, that is a really strong basis to start with. Replacement costs on a property like this is around $175,000 per door, whereas the purchase price we're under contract for is actually closer to $134,000 a door. So we love that $40,000 spread going in. We modeled this project on a 10-year hold. Now, it's important to note that we're not tied to those 10 years. Our objective is to hit our 8% return, or ideally exceed that return. That could come in the form of an early sale or early refi or something that's before 10 years. It could be something that's after 10 years. The industry standard is 10 years. We could sell sooner than that. We could refi sooner than that. But just know the only way that we're going to do that is if the returns are outsized from what we originally projected. Another reason we're really excited about this opportunity is that as one of the deal sponsors, we also own a property management company called Real Property Management Express. I am part owner of that company. And what I can tell you is we are obsessed about property management. We care deeply about property management because we know that's where the returns are created for our investors. Real property management has a robust infrastructure of units around the Brookings market. We are only 35 minutes from our Pinnacle Point property, which is just south in the city of Sioux Falls. In addition to that property, we have another 6,000 units that we are managing in many small markets around Iowa and South Dakota, and some primary markets like Sioux Falls. Like the District 42 investment, we are partnered up with Liberty Capital and Partner Apartments. The team of Liberty Capital is consistent of Josh Kattenberg, who is the CEO and founder, Merlin Huff, who's our president, and then myself, who's a partner, and then, of course, our analyst, Devin, who underwrites a majority of our deals and has a keen understanding of the numbers. On the Partner Apartment side, you have Tom Campbell Sr. and Thomas Campbell Jr., and then, of course, Drew Pandolfo. Together, we have over $300 million worth of closed real estate transactions, and we're looking forward to adding Wilmot Estates to that. Thank you for your time and attention on this webinar. If you are interested in securing a spot on Wilmot Estates, please scan the QR code on this slide, or there is a link in the email where you can express interest. Spots are limited, so I encourage you, if you are interested, please secure your spot today.